Kenley, how old are you? Kenley, how old are you? Two.
I am
Kenley, how old are you? Ayaw naman natin mag-aral?
Yep, I got to. Hey, mommy.
What's your name? Two. Late ka naman. How old are you? Yung anak ko. Two. Ay, 5 yan eh. How old are you? Two. Uy, fuck you. Ay, hindi pala. Two.
Itong
Two.
But when
Ikaw say, how old are you?
two.
4. Upcoming. 5. Chase, how old are you? 10 months.
10 months.
10 months.
Hindi kaya niya pa. Ako siya.
What's your name?
Jessie Dean Steeler.
How old are you?
4.
Where do you live?
Let's tell first.
Who's your daddy?
Daddy can.
About your mommy. Who's your mommy?
Mommy, Mama.
Who's your lolo?
Lolo Pila.
And
And
lolo?
Lolo.
Randall.
I get it.
How about Kenley?
Kenley
Malaglag ka po niya. Sige na, bye ka na sa vlog. Bye vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye, vlog.